funny thing is the locals are starting to pump up and go up right now. Hooray! What's in there?
Oh, but really good.
Let me see.
So yummy.
What does it taste like?
Coconut and alcohol.
It's called Coco Loco.
Try some.
All right. Oh, it's strong.
It's very
Oh my god, I can't believe you're drinking that. That's strong.
It's lots of rum in there.
Oh my god, it's good though.
So good.
If you drink 3 of those, you'll be hammered. Just one, you'll be hammered. How's it going?
Rainy.
Rainy. Okay, I'm gonna try taking the camera in the water with me. Let's hope to God I don't lose it. Oh, look at that wave. Oh, that's a big wave. Oh man. Woo, look. Oh babe. Holy man. Look at that. Well, look at this guy. Here he goes. Coming. Oh god. Okay. What just happened?
A huge wave pushed us away.
A huge wave just took us out. I was looking at Christy. I didn't expect it. She went flying. Her top came off. All those local boys were looking at you. They were like, hey, look at that.
Oh my god.
That was funny. That was a funny one. We are home at our house. And you have to wash your shoes so that they don't get sand in the condo, or else Christy gets mad. Okay, that's good enough. More. Okay, so I had a few drinks so far today. I'm feeling good. That wave's, oh wow, we've got a pool. And in we go! I like filming in the water. No, it's not. It's not boring.
Okay.
You cannot turn it off. You cannot reach it. Oh, it's getting deep here. Getting deep. You want to do an underwater kiss? Okay. 1, 2, 3 under. Thanks. Ready? This is a dive into the pool. Side view. Christy gave me this camera. I think it's my favorite present that I've ever got. I like how it can go in the water and get wet. Okay, time to videotape where we are actually eating.
We have a cool boat.
That is cool. Look at that thing, eh? We have our own dock. Look at your glass. There you have it. And I am drinking Presidente, Dominican
That's cute.
beer.
They always do this. You notice that?
Yeah. And you know what else I noticed? When we were walking in over on that dock over there, on that pathway, Christy almost took a flip.
Yeah.
And almost ended up in that water. That would have been pretty funny. You know what I think is funny? The shingles that they use here are very advanced. Look at these shingles that they have. Pretty much, what is that?
Straw?
Straw? No, I think it's like leaves from a tree.
From a pine, one of those trees. Palm tree. Leaves.
Yeah, that's what it looks like, palm tree leaves.
Probably is.
But yeah, we're here. Feels like we're eating in the jungle right now.
We are eating in the jungle, look. Jungle. They do jungle tours through here.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do. You don't see anything, but they do tours.
You know what? I like the wine. It's like fresh. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. Imagine we came back here. When would you want to come back to Cabatere?
Like February, March.
It's very soon, Christy.
Find that in June or July.
We should rent the whole thing and bring everyone.
Mm-hmm.
You think they would like it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man. Does it feel weird to say that you're my wife?
Mm-hmm.
Have you said that I'm your husband?
No.
I haven't heard you say that yet. What do you say if you're talking with me then? What are you gonna say? What are you gonna say?
I haven't even thought of it yet.
No? Cheers. You're funny. You're funny. Up. Cheers.